Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the text size and format in your Notes app on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the Notes application. Next, open up your Notes account, and in here, select a note that you would like to change. And you can see in here at the moment I have different text size. So to change the size of text, what you do is you go down and open up your keyboard, and on the toolbar there is a text style button. If you do not see the toolbar, just simply tap on the add button and this will display the toolbar. Tap on the text style button, and here you have different styles you could choose from. You got title, which allows you to write in larger text. And then if you choose heading, it will be smaller. And then if you choose subheading, it will be even smaller. And finally, you can choose a normal text, which is the body text. And finally, you can choose another font style, monospace. Alright, so that's how you can increase or decrease the text size and change the format in the Notes app on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. And along with changing the format, you can also change the style, make it bold, italic, underline, or strike through. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.